What's the meaning of apparatchik? Apparatchik. Apparatchik.
Apparatchik. Apparatchik. The term apparatchik originated in Russia and refers to a member of the Soviet Communist Party, particularly one who held a bureaucratic position. It has since been adopted into English to describe a blindly loyal, often unoriginal or unimaginative bureaucrat who blindly follows orders without question. The word carries a negative connotation, suggesting a lack of independent thought and a willingness to put party or organizational goals above individual interests or principles. In short, an apparatchik is a bureaucratic functionary who puts loyalty to the organization above all else.